Tangy, sweet, and bursting with flavor. This is the perfect tamarind chutney to elevate your snacks, chaats, samosas, pakoras, and many more delicious dishes. Today, I'll share my special tips and tricks to help you achieve authentic street-style taste right at home. So, let's get started. Take 100 grams of tamarind imli and transfer it to a bowl. Add enough water to soak it, then add 3 to 4 dried plums, Aloo Bukhara. Stir with a spoon and leave it to soak overnight. The next morning, transfer the soaked tamarind and plums to a pot and bring them to a boil. Cook until they become soft. Using a hand blender, blend the mixture well until the pulp separates from the seeds. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Once cooled, wear a food-safe glove and mash the mixture thoroughly with your hands to separate any remaining pulp from the seeds. Strain the mixture through a sieve, pressing well to extract all the flavorful liquid. Discard the seeds and fibers. We only need the smooth tamarind extract. Now place another pan over low heat and pour in the strained tamarind liquid. Add 1 tablespoon black salt, kala namak, and stir well. Add a few sprigs of fresh mint with the stems and let the mixture come to a boil. Remove the mint leaves once they have infused their flavor. Next, add 1 cup white sugar and stir until completely dissolved. Remove a small portion of the liquid into a separate bowl and set it aside. Now add brown sugar to the remaining mixture and stir until dissolved. Then add 1 tablespoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon salt. Cook on low heat for about 4 minutes. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons cornflour with a little water until smooth. Slowly pour this slurry into the chutney while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Keep the flame low and cook until the chutney becomes smooth, glossy, and perfectly thick. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Your delicious street-style sweet tamarind chutney is now ready. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 2 months. This chutney is incredibly delicious and tastes just like the one served at your favorite street food stalls. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next recipe.